Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be testing Priyanka Chopra favorite mask, which she calls Upted face mask. If you want to see how to make it, if you want to see results, stay tuned.
We need to add 2 spoons of whole wheat flour. Add a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties that help us to calm down any acne breakouts. Then add a few drops of lime juice. Now place 2 spoons and a half of plain yogurt, which will help us to tighten up our skin. Let's stir the mix, and if it gets a little bit dried, add some rose water.
This is how the consistency should be. Like she said, it should be a paste. Guys, I actually like the feeling of this face mask. It smells like bread. Please make sure not to apply it under your eyes. Before you apply this face mask, please do a test patch right here on the arm. Time is up. Let's try that exfoliation part. And if you cannot get everything, it's fine. It's just, to remove as much as you can of the face mask, and then you go ahead and wash it up with warm water. Around here I have some red patches, a little bit of redness all over my face. Every time I exfoliate my skin, yes, it gets a little bit red. I test patch right here and everything was fine. I do think it's due the exfoliation, it's a little bit harsh on the skin, and I will actually skip the last step, which is the exfoliation. If you have sensitive skin, please don't try this. I don't get this sensitive skin that easy. All the products or all the ingredients used in this face mask, I've tried them before. I always like to ask myself, would I recommend this face mask? And not to everybody, to be honest. Not to everybody. Definitely not to someone that has sensitive skin. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you like this content and if you like this channel. On Friday, I have another product face mask review, so if you want to see that, stay tuned. I'll see you on Friday. Pura vida!